Welcome to Limitless Mindset. Today, we dive deep into the extraordinary power of clear vision and effective goals. Let me ask you something. Are you truly living the life you've always dreamed of? Or are you waking up every day, just going through the motions, trapped in a cycle that feels impossible to break? Here's the truth. If you don't design your life, someone else will design it for you. And chances are, you won't like their version. Your dreams matter. Your goals matter. But to bring them to life, you need a roadmap and a reason. In this video, we'll uncover how to set powerful, actionable goals and how to visualize them daily using a vision board. Because building your dream life isn't about luck. It's about intention. Why goal setting changes everything. Imagine driving across the country without a map. You wouldn't do it. So why live your life without clear direction? Goals give us purpose. They focus our energy, drive our decisions, and keep us moving forward, even when life gets tough. Without goals, you drift. With goals, you take control. Setting goals changes the way you think. It activates the reticular activating system in your brain, filtering opportunities, ideas, and people that align with what you want. Suddenly, the world starts responding to your clarity. You become more decisive, more disciplined, and more determined. The mindset shift needed for goal setting. Before you even begin to write down your goals, you need to shift your mindset. Most people fail not because they set goals too high and miss, but because they set them too low and hit. Dream bigger. Don't let fear, self-doubt, or the opinions of others limit your vision. You must believe that you are worthy of the life you imagine. That's where everything begins. Mindset is the foundation. Without belief, every goal is just a wish. But when your mindset aligns with your mission, you become unstoppable. The SMART Goals formula and beyond. Now, let's talk about the how. The SMART formula is a powerful way to set clear and actionable goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-bound. But let's take it a step further. Add two more elements, emotional and visible. Your goals should stir something deep inside you. You must feel them, and they must be visible, placed somewhere you can see them every single day. This is where the vision board comes in, and we'll get to that shortly. Creating your goal blueprint. Start by dividing your life into key categories: health and wellness, career and business, relationships, personal growth, finance, lifestyle and adventure. For each category, ask yourself, what do I truly want? Be honest. Be bold. Don't filter. Write down the biggest, clearest, and most compelling version of each goal. Then break them into small, daily actions. Big dreams become reality through consistent daily habits. Visualization and the power of seeing your future. Visualization is not wishful thinking. It's mental training. Elite athletes use it. Top performers use it. And so should you. When you visualize your goals daily, you condition your subconscious mind to believe they are possible. Close your eyes. See yourself living your dream life. Hear the sounds. Feel the emotions. Smell the air. The more vivid the experience, the more your mind begins to believe it's real. And what your mind believes, your actions begin to reflect. Crafting your vision board. A vision board is a tool that brings your goals to life visually. Grab a board, magazines, photos, quotes, anything that represents your goals. Arrange them in a way that inspires you. Make it beautiful. Make it bold. And most importantly, put it somewhere you will see it every day. When you wake up and see your vision board, it sets your intention for the day. When you go to sleep and glance at it, it programs your mind overnight. Over time, it becomes more than decoration. It becomes direction. Overcoming obstacles and staying committed. Every journey has roadblocks. You will face fear, fatigue, and frustration. But remember, obstacles are not stop signs. They're stepping stones. The dream life you're building is worth fighting for. Stay committed by tracking your progress. Journal your wins, however small. Celebrate consistency over perfection. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, not those who doubt you. And revisit your goals weekly. Make adjustments as needed, but never lose sight of the vision. Becoming the person your goals require. This journey isn't just about achieving things. It's about becoming someone greater. Your goals will demand a stronger, more focused, more disciplined version of you. Rise to meet that version. Adopt the habits of high achievers. Wake up early. Read daily. Move your body. Practice gratitude. Speak positively. Take responsibility. Your dream life is built by the person you become in the process, not just by what you accomplish. Closing message. Your future is not written in stone. It's written in your decisions, your discipline, and your daily habits. If you want to build your dream life, you must be willing to dream boldly, set goals clearly, and visualize daily. And above all, act. Create your vision board. Look at it every day. Let it guide your actions and fuel your fire. Let it remind you that you were made for more. If this message inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to Limitless Mindset. This is your time. This is your season. Your dream life is waiting. Go out and build it.